Justice Soumen Sen nekasngi ulabam smai kumu Chief Justice Batmai jong Meghalaya High Court hakajing yalang kabalalong haraj bahawan kabalong henni kasngi kapratari kurisau rajar arpusan ulat kejelau si HVJ Shankar walaupun bam smai ya Justice Sen bami bujeli hakajaka jong Chief Justice Sanjib Banerjee hadin kejing syong thai jong hakasantri kunailu rajar arpusan hakane kejing pentian smai ya Chief Justice Batmai lai don lang menteri rangba kejela akurat sangma usumbut menteri rangba ba Presiden Tensong Chief Secretary kejela Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed unang ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangma bat kiwei kiriu rangba.
As stated in me by clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. Murmu, President of India, and hereby appoint Chief Justice Soumen Sen, Judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court with effect from the date he is in charge of his office. Given at Rasapti Bhavan, New Delhi, this 26th day of September in the year 2025. Fort Asvina, 1947 Saka, in DC.
I, Soumen Sen, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.